Got an update for you. Really excited. Again, the Canik recoil spring. I found a replacement. I read online on some damn forum that it could be done, so I spent the money to test it and see if it could be done. This is your recoil spring for your Canik. What is in this is I ordered from ssguiderods.com, stainlesssteelguiderods.com. They carry a whole bunch of stainless steel guide rods and springs, and they also sell the adapter cup. What is in this is the Glock 17, Glock 22. It's a multi-fucking fit Glock recoil spring. It is intended to convert the Glock Gen 4 to a Gen 3 recoil system, because they have the dual spring assembly bullshit in the Gen 4s, and this just converts it down to pretty much one of these. Now the Glock recoil system is shorter slightly. That's what the adapter cup is for. The adapter cup is to take up that little bit of space that you have in your Canik. I measured it. I haven't shot it yet, but after measuring it and checking everything out, I'm very confident that it will work. What I measured was the locking position with the slide lock back from the lower frame to the end of the slide, and it was the same with both recoil systems. Let's break this thing down and I'll show you how it goes in. Now there you stainless steel guide rod. Your adapter cup is that larger ring you can see just sitting in there, just like your old one. It's going to pop out, and your adapter cup, bam, adapter cup. This smaller area you see right here is going to go in first. That will be away from you. Common sense does apply. I don't really feel the need to explain this to you guys, but there's gonna be one of those fucking guys. Wait till the comments. Screw end, and these come with standard, I want to say 17-pound springs, I think. But you can order them with other springs, but this was the easiest option because I've already got Glock springs that'll fit this. We're going to try it with the stock spring, see if it works. It feels about the same, if not a little bit lighter, but not noticeably lighter than the stock Canik spring. I've got a 15-pound spring I'm going to run in a competition this weekend, so we'll see how it does and do another video then. So the screw end goes right in the middle hole. Clip it in place like you do your normal recoil spring, and that's that. That's all that is. Pretty simple. Everything measured out just fine. I'm not feeling any extra binding, any extra pressure anywhere. Just like the other one, it will protrude out the front. There's your little screw. And like I said, measure this distance here. But it matches. It matches up with the length of the stock recoil spring that came in the gun versus the measured length of the adapter cup and this Glock recoil system that's in it. They're the same. So I'm pretty confident this is going to work out just fine. Now see what other upgrades are really out there. I did take the red dot off. We're going back to limited. That green dot drove me nuts trying to find the fucking dot when I was shooting. So we're going back, and I shot a lot faster with the good old fiber optic irons. I'm going to see if I can find a different set other than these Warren, see if we can switch it up to a set of targets, but you don't want them to get in the way of your screws. So more updates coming. I'll put the pictures in there of the two measurements, and again, I got this from ssguiderods.com. It was like $39, $43.50 total with shipping, and they ship them out of Florida. Got it to me quick. Good people. Check them out, and cheap enough you can make the investment and do a return if you want. Otherwise, I've got enough Glocks laying around to use that in something else. Anyways, let me know what you did. Like, comment, share. I think that's what everybody else says in their videos. Cool. Keep in touch. So, we're in the Bass Pro Shop Pyramid. New guide rod spring. Let's test some ammo, see if it works. We're going to start off with 115 grain Hornady XTPs. Head loads. No issues. Go to 115 grain ball, hand load. A little bit lighter on the powder is what I used the last competition. See what it's got. Nothing. And let's load up. I had a real light Glock spring when I tried this first little bit of ammo. Those are 115 grains. In this little blue box, I've got 100 grains. Moving about 950, 900 feet per second. You need about a 14 pound recoil spring with a Glock 22 to shoot these. And I'd like to see this thing stovepipe, but so far it's not. So this is the guide rod I ordered from ssguiderods.com with the adapter cap. So far, I like it. It's a lot better than the stock spring because it's not so stiff and it likes the lighter loads, which would have stovepiped already. So 16 in there? Let's see how quick we can zip them out. And the recoil feels like it's a lot less. First one. Yeah, those might be too light. It seems to like the rest of them. There's another one. First jam. Just failed on the ramp. So we know it doesn't like the super light loads. You might want to order a lighter spring if you want to shoot a load that light. Other one? Yep. That's what we got. Stainless steel guide rod. No, I thought I had a squib on that one, but I guess not. Let's go back to the back to the hollow point. Nah. Go back to the 115 grain. So no, those are too light. They will not work. Save those for my Glock. Let's see if we shoot these fast enough. Let's see if it'll stovepipe. This thing's a stovepipe fucking magnet with all the other stuff. So far this gun is impressive as fuck. Nothing. I'd say we're shooting this weekend.